It began with a single drop of rain. The street slowly changed as the rain settled in. And then, a light appeared where nothing had ever been before. The door slowly opened as if it was waiting for him. Inside, it felt warmer than anywhere he had ever been. And there, someone was already waiting. The shop was filled with things he had never seen before. But one thing felt strangely familiar. "You came, just like before," the old man said softly. But he had never been there before. "This once belonged to you," the shopkeeper whispered. And suddenly, something felt familiar. A memory flickered softly in his mind. Tea felt like a day he had almost forgotten. He had been there, alone in the rain. And something had been missing. And now, it was right in front of him. "You left it behind, on a rainy day," the shopkeeper said. The old umbrella seemed to remember him before he did. When the old man softly spoke his name, the room grew still. It had happened once before, on a forgotten rainy afternoon. That day, he had left more than an umbrella behind. It wasn't the umbrella alone, it was the feeling that came with it. This was a place for lost things, and the memories tied to them. If he wanted, he could take it back. But the old man gently asked, "Do you still need it?" And for the first time, he understood. And just like that, the shop was gone.